This is the group I've been waiting for, yes! Come in, come in! I have an opportunity for you all that is bad, dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed means profit. Schumacher, my fine, buddy friend. Yes, as we discussed. You can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. I found you the perfect ship. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. You're still here. Go.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
First, right here. Want to sit here?
Usually above left front, and on the seatbelts on the outside, and door to center. Alright, we'll take those yellow tab. Yellow tab. Yellow tab more top. Alright, listen. Take the yellow tab. Alright, go. You guys
Try your best.
Flashing buttons, okay?
You're gonna have to make that one when the buns.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and roll the glory on Tatooine. Right, pilot, make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sent. Let's see what it can do. Hondo was Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid. Begin follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Bespin it is. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump to light speed. They're heading for Cloud City. Stay on his tail. Pilots, you're up.
Pilot.
Watch out for that kid. Dead cleric. Stuck to their ship. He's dragging it towards the explosives. Help him up. Fires incoming. Gunners, take him out. Hondo wants that crate. Engineers, grab it with the tractor beam. Let's try not to blow up Cloud City.
Engineers. How many crates do we have?
Enough of this. I'm on my way. Grogu, don't get into trouble. Keep steady so I can cut you loose. Bounty in hand. Prepare to leave. Fast. That's not the way. Head for the clouds. Hold on tight. Hit the boosters. Right pilot. Jump to light speed. Now. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Unloading crates now. Respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the bounty to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Endor. See what we find. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump to light speed. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots, head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.